Hi guys, hello everyone. My name is Inga Yun and I'm an artist, freelance illustrator. I'm obsessed with watercolor, magical things and cute stuff. And during my classes, I constantly share knowledge about the Procreate and some tips and tricks how to paint in watercolor in Procreate in a fast and easy way. And during my today's class, we're gonna paint lovely postcard in a vintage style in a Procreate in watercolor. And I hope you will find it useful and interesting. And guys, I'm gonna take you through the whole journey, all steps that I follow in order to create lovely vintage style illustration. And guys, first of all, I will tell you how to import and use all the freebies. Then I'm gonna show you how to create sketch, and after that we will start adding colors and then shades and final details. And guys, I will show you different ways how to paint such kind of illustration, what are the elements you can add in order to create lovely art. In the end of my class, you will decide which style you like more. I hope you will enjoy our painting process. And guys, as a bonus, I prepared for you texture paper, some of the new brushes that are part of my newly created brush sets, the sketches and the pictures that I created. Feel free to use it for your own art projects. This class is great for intermediate level, actually for everyone, beginners and advanced students who are interested in such vintage styled illustrations. And guys, I really want you to join me. I tried my best to make this class fun and creative. In the end of my class, you will see how to create vintage styled illustration in Procreate. You will learn how to age your illustration and turn it in a very lovely postcard. I can't wait to start this class, and definitely I can't wait to see what you upload to project section. So I think it's time to grab your iPad, Apple Pencil and enjoy our painting process together.